reminder to everybody to refrain from playing with your phones during Shiurei Torah, during anything relevant to Torah. Do not play with your phones. And even the people that are watching the shiur online, don't make comments. You want to make comments in the beginning, Chazaku Baruch, Hi Kvod Harav, from Alaska, from Zimbabwe, from Chicago, and so on. One comment, that's it. Don't start conversing with each other, start asking each other questions, and start answering each other's questions. Why? If you want to do that, go do it somewhere else. You're distracting to everyone else. Forget about the fact that you shouldn't be doing it anyway. You should be paying attention to the shiur, or else, why are you watching? It's not a thread for everybody to converse. It's a thread for you to watch the shiur. And you can say hi, and we can see, Baruch Hashem, that we have students from Alaska and Australia and different places. And you also have Satan coming in different forms. You have Christianity and Messianics, and sometimes Chabadniks that think that the Rabbi is Mashiach or God, and sometimes it's people that hate me because I told them the truth about wigs, and so on and so forth. The Yetzirah comes in different ways. But if you continuously go back and forth in the thread, not only are you not paying attention to the shiur, even if you're hearing it in the background, that doesn't mean you're paying attention. This is not music. This is Torah. Not only are you not paying attention to the shiur, but on top of it, you're distracting to everyone else. Because now, whoa, there's something going on in the shiur, but there's some action on the thread. And where do you think the Yetzirah is going to get them to? They're going to, oh, look, the guy mentioned Jesus. Go, attack him. And then they start out, everybody forgot about the shiur. Everybody forgot about the shiur. And same thing with the phone. I must have said it on Sunday, maybe 7, 8 times. 7, 8 times I mentioned it. Stop playing with the phone. Stop playing with the phone. I'm specifically talking about one person. The guy wouldn't hear it. Mamash, he didn't realize. He keeps saying like this. And he's the one talking on the phone. The whole time he's on the phone. It's mamash. Like the Gemara says, a person does not see any wrong in himself. He thinks I'm talking about, you should stop talking about the phone. Stop. I understand these people who talk about phones. Come on. What's wrong with you? It's you I'm talking about. People don't see wrong in themselves. Why? Person needs to understand Torah is something holy. If we're learning holy Torah, that means the Shekhinah is with us right now. Hashem's here. He's not like in the sky. He's here right now. Right here. He's with us. It says in the Gemara. People study Torah. Even if 2 people study Torah, Shekhinah is right there. 3 people, Shekhinah is there. 5 people, Shekhinah is there. Learn Torah, Shekhinah is there. So if you knew it, now you can't see God. But if you knew He was here for sure, you still play on your phone? Oh, let me check my stock for a second. Oh, no, I'm talking Torah, I'm talking about Torah. You have to understand a few things. Number 1, if you're playing on your phone, you're not paying attention. Number two, you're distracting to everyone else. Why? You're getting their Yetzirah also to act. Why? You remind them they also have a phone. So now they're going to check their phone. They're going to check the text message. They're going to check, he's looking at the phone. The rabbi didn't say anything. So let me check the phone. All of a sudden you start, and everybody's taking out of their pocket, and everybody looks like everybody's dancing. And they keep taking the phones out of the pocket. And last but not least part is you're distracting to the speaker. Because unlike what most people think, the speaker can see better than everyone else. Why? You're all looking in one direction. The speaker is looking everywhere. He sees everything. I'm right in front of you, Ribono Shel Olam. I see that you're not paying attention. I'm not blind. And again, I see that you're on the phone. And the guy's under the table the whole time. Like I'm blind. I don't know that his hands are under the table in an unusual way. What's wrong with you? And just pay attention, Ribono Shel Olam. It's a couple of hours, then you go back, play with your phone until next year for all I care. You're distracting. Why? The Rav is thinking what? What's the rabbi thinking? What's the speaker thinking? First of all, he's thinking about his subject at hand. But now he sees somebody on the phone. And it bothers him. Why? He's like, it's not interesting what I'm saying. It's not interesting. Why? If it was interesting, he wouldn't be on the phone. So now the Rav, or whoever the speaker is, he's thinking, wow, I didn't study enough. I didn't study enough. This is not good. I don't have Sefta Dishmaya today. You know what? Maybe I should quit. Maybe I shouldn't have a shiur. You think it's funny. It's not true. It's 100% true. You start thinking, if I was interesting, he wouldn't fall asleep. If I was interesting, he would actually do tshuva. If I was interesting, he wouldn't play on the phone. Why is he playing on the phone? It's my fault. It's not his fault. I'm boring. He's just doing what he has to do. There's a funny joke. One time, actually, Rabbi Mizrahi says, it's a real story. A guy fell asleep in the middle of a shiur. Rabbi is giving a shiur. A guy fell asleep. Now, it's not lo kavod to have somebody fall asleep in the middle of a shiur. If somebody falls asleep in a shiur, somebody falls asleep during prayer, you have to wake him up. It's lo kavod. Shekhinah is there. Forget just the honor for the rabbi, it's disrespectful. The Shekhinah, Hashem is there. You can't fall asleep. So the rabbi saw the guy sleeping. Okay, once in a while, you talk for a little while. People fall asleep. He's skinny, they're tired, whatever. Yetzirah. So he lets him sleep for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. The guy's sleeping. He's sleeping already. He's already on his REM sleep already. The guy's already getting REM sleep. He's snoring, and the whole neighborhood can hear. So he tells the guy next to him, goes, no, wake him up, wake him up. What does the guy say? You put him to sleep, you wake him up. You put him to sleep, you wake him up. But the reality, Rabotai, when someone sees you, someone's speaking, he sees you playing with the phone, he starts thinking, I'm not interesting, I'm not this. He starts having self-conscious issues. Now what happens? You're thinking, no, he'll get through it. What if he doesn't? Are you willing to take that on your tab? What if he doesn't? What if one day he has the Yetzirah, he says, you know what? I'm going to cancel the shiur tonight. Why? Oh, yesterday I did a shiur. Half the people were on the phone. The other half were sleeping. What am I going to do a shiur for? You know what? I'm going to call in sick. Guys, tonight I'm not going to do a shiur. And that night, somebody was supposed to show up to do tshuva. Online, in person, whatever. And now, shiur is gone. Who do you think gets half of the punishment? Speaker is obviously not good. But the guy that led the speaker is partner in a sin. He's partner in a sin. Why? Instead of doing kiruv, he did richuk. The opposite. Why? He's supposed to give the rabbi chizuk. He's supposed to give the rabbi encouragement to keep going. Not to show him you're not interested. That's why it was actually somebody was supposed to show up yesterday. He didn't stop playing with his phone. He did not stop playing with his phone every 5 minutes. He kept getting up, playing with the water, going to the bathroom, coming back, playing with the water. With the whole time he was there. And he was supposed to come tonight, and I couldn't wait to tell him something before the shiur. Please, tonight, if you're going to be here, just learn. Because I don't want to embarrass anybody in public. Even though you're allowed to in a situation like this, because it's distracting to everybody else. But yesterday I shut up even though 2 hours I had to suffer with this guy. He was supposed to come. I didn't say anything. I said, tonight I'm going to have to say something because this cannot become a habit. It becomes poison. Becomes a cancer to everybody else. They come in, they feel like they're the only ones. They come into the room. Yeah, cookie. The guy's cooking steak. Is this? What? There's 25, 30, 50, 100 people also watching shiur. Why, you're the only one here. What they did? Everybody else is here too. 20 minutes entrance. 20 minutes entrance just to enter the place. 20 minutes. Red carpet takes less time. A halvai president. President of himself maybe. But the point is, Rabotai, you have to understand that this is a problem. When you're not conscious of the world around you.